Hello and thank you for calling the Auto Glass Helpline. Today we are going to show you how to set your WRD PRO6 IS for setting underneath the hood on a vehicle that you haven't done before. So if you're not sure exactly where to set your window cup here on the window, if you haven't done a vehicle before, but you know you're setting under the hood like this, you can see this goes a little ways underneath and we're not going to be able to just drop this one in place like normal. So I have this taped because this window likes to slide down. You don't have to tape it, it's just for this video. You can see I've got my two cups set up on the other side as normal. You can see this is the broken piece of glass. So this is not going to change as far as the new glass. What will be a little bit different is just your window cup. So you are going to take your windshield cup and you're going to measure normally. You're going to top of your glass and then right here to the base of the bar, rotate it 90 degrees, make sure you're perpendicular with the edge of the glass, and anchor that cup in place. And then all you're going to do is take your window cup here, you're going to slide it right underneath your bar, and you are simply going to lift straight up and pull that tape out of the way. You're going to put this against the window here, and you're just going to lift straight up. Pop that little clip out of the way there, and that will tell you how high or low you need to be in order to set this piece of glass. You can see right there the distance between the glass and the hood here. That way you're not chipping paint or scratching the paint job. So we're going to go right about there, and we're going to anchor our window cup just like so. Make sure that once you let the weight of the windshield sit there, that you're still in a good position. It hasn't sagged down too low. And then all you're going to do is go over to this side and remove the glass as per normal. You're just going to basically reverse set it, and that will give you also the motion that you need in order to set that new piece of glass, where you have to come up and dive underneath the hood there all the way across to this side and then drop it in place. So this also, like I said, gives you the motion that you'll need to set it properly. Walk around, just lift your old glass off, and then it's just a matter of transferring your cups. Pop that one off of there, and just like normal, top of the glass, thumb at the base of the bar, 90 degrees. Make sure you're perpendicular to the edge of the glass there, and anchor your cup like so. Remove that so you don't trip over it and knock your glass off, and then simply set your cups on the passenger side at your comfortable distance from each other. And you are all set to set under the hood on this Mercedes EQB and any other vehicle that might set under the hood. You can use this method. That is all for now. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.